Please be upstanding.
Thirikari kuhetokera ofisi ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ni ithiete na mbere na kwarira mitaratara ya kuhurana na ng'aragu ire gukinyaniria na riu igomeire andu milioni 5.3 October November. Akiaria thutha wa mucemanio na honge itiganite cia thirikari, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi rigathi wa gachagua ni augire thirikari igukorwo ikirutithania wira na ruhonge rwa mbiraru KWS o ndomwe na ruhonge rwa urathi wa riera nigukinyiria mitaratara ya thirikari ya kuhurana na ng'aragu.
From the presentation by the Meteorological Department, the situation is not getting any better. So we must be prepared to deal with emergency issues and long-term solutions that are sustainable. The President has already pronounced himself that the way to go is to run away from rain-fed agriculture to irrigation and to focus more on water harvesting, which is being done through PPP. But even as we do the long term, we have a responsibility to save lives and livestock.
Kuringana na gachagua gukinyaniria na riu thirikari ni ihotete kuheana irio cia uteithio kuri nyumba irigomeirwo ni ng'aragu ino o undomwe na kuenja ndobori cia mai iguru ria mothe kugura mahiu maria mahatiririkite ni ng'aragu. Undu uyu ugikinyanira kumana na unyitaniri wa ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune.
In our own assessment, 25 counties out of 47 are in serious distress because of climate change and depressed rains. And in terms of the territory of Kenya, some of the counties are quite expansive.
Oho gachagua ne ugite mubango wa kuhe ciana irio mathukuru-ini na uria uraterefone ministry ya githomo no uthiete na mbere na kugia na umithio munene kuna riu gutire na namba nene ya arutwo maratira thukuru ni kwaga gya kuria. Kuringana na ndari kuma kuri ruhonge rwa NDMA makiria ma andu milioni 4.35 kuma kaunti 23 ni makoreirwo maitho ni ng'aragu na andu ngiri 846 kuma kaunti keda magifatara uteithio wa naihenya wa irio.
We have distributed food to over 1,000 families in 14 settlements within the Garissa county, in 2 sub-counties, that is Lagdera and Balambala. The families have really appreciated the efforts that we are doing, as well as also the county government.
Hamwe na uguo thirikari ni hithuritie ati imwe cia kaunti ta Thirikari, Nyeri, Embu, Kiambu na Migori ni gutaranirio ithabu-ini ria kaunti iria igomeirwo ni ng'aragu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV njitagwo Wahu wa Ngugi.